Landing Gear Part 3 Fairings. At first, I carved styrofoam sections to fit onto round shape of the landing gear. Then, I apply epoxy over both foam and aluminum. I sand aluminum when it's wetted with epoxy. This way ensures that freshly exposed aluminum doesn't have contact with oxygen. I apply fiberglass, let it cure and trim it so it looks like this. Next, I make a mold for suspension fairing. I used aluminum flashing to make a template. After I get a satisfying fit, I clamp the piece in the vise so I can wrap it with duct tape. I add some instant glue so the mold retains its shape when I'm glassing it. I trim the excessive tape, and finally I'm ready for glassing. The purpose of a fairing is to improve aerodynamic performance of the plane. Round shapes, like the tube from the landing gear, generate considerable amount of drag. Fairings help to smoothen the airflow, but they do add some extra weight. That's why fairings need to be light in order to increase the overall performance. Personally, I like the mean looks of exposed landing gear, however I want the UAV to stay in the air for long. That's all for today and more coming soon.